Summer Breeze is the name of this paper collection from our friends at Crafter's Companion. Now, as you can see, there are 48 pieces, but really there's a lot more. And the sheets, so here's how thick it is. I like to show you that when it's really a significant size. So let me show you every single sheet. Now, you are going to get 14 different sheets, and you're going to get 3 of each one. So let me show you quickly each side. So here's one side, there's the back side. Now you're going to see this sheet again in another configuration. So these are all little confetti dots. On the back side there's floral, and this is what I mean. The floral is duplicated here, but with a different background sheet. So you've got the stripe, and you've got this kind of smashing color, and with back the flowers, again, they're duplicated on another sheet. As I said, you're going to get 3 of each. There's that confetti again, and the flowers, and the smeshed, and the stripe. And here's a new one with it. You can really use this for matting. It's just really perfect for that. Butterflies along with our flowers, and you can see this is on 2 sheets, and here's the backing of this one. And this is 80-pound weight paper. Excuse me, it's 180 gram weight. I would put that equivalent to probably 100 pound. And we've got more, just really, really beautiful colors, pinks, greens, all over the place. You can see the green, and it's duplicated again. And here, whoops, and we've got the heart dots, and you can see all of the ferns. And then we have cutouts. Now, there are 2 sheets, so this sheet and this one. Altogether, together with the sheets, there are over 50 die cuts, but you're going to get 3 sheets of this. You're going to get 3 sheets of this. So altogether, you're going to get 177 die cuts. And it's nice because not only do they have the art, but they also have areas where you might want to stamp something, you might want a computer journal, or you could put something else in there, maybe even one of the other elements. So that's really nice and very unique. And as I said, all of the papers are double-sided. They are all the heavyweight, and they're all under the name of Summer Breeze. Now, this paper collection comes by itself. They're the coordinating items you're going to have. So I would recommend our ribbons, our flowers. Dazzles are going to be beautiful with them. Summer Breeze is the collection.